सत श्री अकाल सारिਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਚਾਲ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ again with Gaurav Lakra. So this is our last day, like his last day in the bike shop, and we are closing the bike shop for Club 16. So we are on our breaks and I'm gonna go for a Stanley Park tour. How long?
Club 16
Travel Inner Fitness.
It's not last day. Last day is on Tuesday.
Okay, it's on Tuesday. Technically they are closing the bike shop now for this season, and so we decided to go for a tour. How long is gonna take?
Well,
Gaurav is gonna guide us for that.
If we maintain a good speed, we can make it in 30 minutes maximum.
30 minutes maximum. Or let me just show you around. Otherwise, it's gonna take.
Otherwise, we take some stops to enjoy a proper bike ride.
So for us,
max 1 hour.
So for us, it's gonna take 45 minutes to 1 hour because
45 minutes.
we have to shoot the vlog as well, and we'll show you and we'll tell you how was it. So even you can enjoy. First, let me show you the view. So we are gonna go from this way, all the way from there, and we're gonna come back from that side. So let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go. So guys, if you're looking for e-scooter and you don't want to ride bikes like this, you can always come here. It's Go e-scooter rentals, and they have a fair good price as well. Obviously the view is this, all the yachts.
It's more beautiful for the.
Yeah, okay, let's go. This is our first stop after like 10 minutes, and it's pretty cool. Until now I'm enjoying the view. Just show them the view. Wow, this is so pretty, you know.
That's
You can
downtown.
rent out the yachts as well,
This side.
boats and everything. They're quite expensive, but if you want to have the experience, you should go. I'll suggest. But it's really nice. कितने मीटर्स के लिए? अगर तो फ्रेम में ले लिया मैंने. सेक्सी आई है तेरी वीडियो, पर आया छोटा सा क्लिप है. Our bike shop is there. Club 16. We are almost halfway through. Lakra Saab is here. अबे चुप रहा ना. नहीं halfway through नहीं. Horse carriage something Gaurav is saying. I don't know. An attraction called horse carriage. अबे वो आ रहे. Something. Okay, so we are here at Hallelujah Point. Photo shoot for Gaurav now.
Hallelujah Point.
That's their runner, Harry Winston, world record holder. So this part is really interesting. There is this cannon. I don't know a lot about this, but they fire this once in a year. I don't know why. Live. So you can read over here, and this is that cannon. This gun fires with a loud report at 9 p.m. daily. Okay, my bad, daily. They fire it once at 9 p.m. For me, it's been like, I don't know, maybe 7 years. I haven't rode a bike. It's fun. I miss this back in Delhi, so but it's okay. I'm enjoying right now. Sure. So I'll advise you guys to come here in the autumn. So pretty here. You can bring in your family with you. So guys, this is why. Okay, there will be a point where you cannot drive your bike, so you have to walk with your bike. Okay, and after that you can, sure.
This is a place to relax for some time, you can sit here for a while if you are tired of continuously riding the bike. Look at this guy. Look how happy he is.
It's like even drink Coke and like after.
Look at his face. He's so happy.
That guy was saying that was a really great photograph. So this is the Lions Gate Bridge. If you cross over, right exactly there, that's North Van. And again, you have to drop off. So pretty view.
What up, bro?
The guy is doing fishing over here as well. And he got one, I think. I guess so, he got one. If you can see the string.
ये कैप्चर नहीं हो रहा उस कैमरे में
हो गया
इतना अच्छा से मुझे तो नेकेड ऐसे भी अच्छा लगता है
Naked eye से तो फिर यार obviously है. Gaurav is saying we cannot capture this view with this camera, but with naked eyes it's mesmerizing.
नेकेड आई इज अमेजिंग
With naked eyes, it's amazing. Gaurav Lakra is telling us he's fuck you. He's assuming that Gaurav Lakra is pretty sure that there is no land after that. There's only ocean. But it's so pretty. Nice. And obviously, a bike ride is incomplete without a beach. So they have a beach as well. Guys, there's a bit of trek as well. Like not a particular track, but with your cycles. And be careful, this road is not that good. And now the ride is complete. We are so tired, but it was fun, worth. You should try. Gaurav is picking up the bicycle. I advise you one time in your life, if you are here in Vancouver, go for it. Vlog ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਧਰ ਹੀ ਖਤਮ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਮੇਰੀ break is over now. My break is done. So ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ, ਵੱਡਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੈਰੀ ਪਾਉਣਾ. ਜੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਗਲਤੀ ਹੋਏ ਤਾਂ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮਾਫ ਕਰਿਓ. ਨੈਕਸਟ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਮੈਂ ਠੀਕ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰਾਂਗਾ. ਚੰਗਾ, ਅਗਲੀ ਵਾਲੀ